Hi everyone, today we going to watch what is transistor and its uses. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. A bipolar junction transistor is made up of three pieces of silicon emitter, base, and collector. Some transistors are packaged individually, but many more are found embedded in integrated circuits. Transistor will act as switch you can see in the animation. A voltage or current applied to one pair of the transistor's terminals controls the current through another pair of terminals. There are two different types of transistors, NPN and PNP. An NPN transistor has a piece of P-type silicon, the base, sandwiched between two pieces of N-type, the collector and emitter. In a PNP transistor, the type of the layers are reversed. NPN, the transistor switches on with the increase in current in the base terminal. PNP, the transistors switch on when there is no current flow at the base terminal. Now experimental time. In the experimental setup, base is connected to the variable power supply and the emitter and collector is connected to a LED with battery as shown in circuit diagram. First, the PNP transistor BD136 is connected to the circuit. It shows that the light is switched on when there is no current flows on base and switched off when there is a current flow. Next, the NPN transistor BD139 is connected to the circuit. It shows that the light is switched on when there is current flows on base and switched off when there is no current flow on base. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.